Hey guys, it's me, Killian. I'm showing you how to use the new iMovie 2025. You press on iMovie. You stay up to date with notifications if you like. Press on allow if you want the notifications. The storyboard. We do mini videos like these, or you can add a movie. In this one, we're just doing a movie, so we press on the movie button. I screen record many things like these. Yeah. I see we do videos of things like this here. We can't really. If there's photos, there's email. You know, Apple Photos has updated its logo this year, so yeah. Not much to say, so thank you for watching. And also, there's a new video icon. It has these liquid glass redesign. I hope they enjoy it with the new updates. Thank you so much for watching.